Have you ever wondered how the Chinese Zodiac came to be? Let's journey back in time, over 2,000 years ago, to the ancient beginnings of this fascinating astrological system. At its heart, the Chinese Zodiac is a cycle of 12 years, with each year represented by a different animal. But how were these animals chosen? And why these 12? The answer lies in a captivating tale that is as old as China itself. According to legend, the Jade Emperor, one of the most important deities in Chinese mythology, decided to hold a grand race. He summoned all the animals in the kingdom to participate. The first 12 to cross the finish line would be forever immortalized in the Chinese Zodiac. The race was fierce and fraught with challenges. The cunning rat, using its wits, hitched a ride on the strong ox, and at the last moment, jumped off to cross the finish line first. The diligent ox, not far behind, secured the second place. Tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and finally the pig, each arrived in their own time and manner, their places in the zodiac cycle determined by the order of their arrival. And so, from this legendary race, the Chinese Zodiac was born. Each year in the Chinese lunar calendar came to be associated with one of these 12 animals. The traits and characteristics of the animals were believed to shape the destiny and fortunes of individuals born under their influence. The Chinese Zodiac is more than just a cycle of years and animals. It is a reflection of ancient Chinese culture, deeply rooted in its history and philosophy. A mirror that reveals the traits we share with the animal that represents our birth year. It is a rich tapestry of stories, symbols, and meanings that continue to guide and inspire millions around the world. And so, the Chinese Zodiac was born, with each year represented by a different animal. Now that we know how the Zodiac began, who are these 12 animals? Let's delve into the heart of the Chinese Zodiac, the 12 symbolic animals, each with its own unique set of characteristics and traits. First in line, we find the rat, a creature associated with resourcefulness and quick wit. Individuals born under the sign of the rat are often seen as intelligent and adaptable, ready to tackle any challenge that comes their way. Following the rat, we meet the ox. Known for their diligence and dependability, those born in the year of the ox are seen as hardworking and steadfast, always willing to go the extra mile. The third animal is the courageous tiger. Tigers are associated with bravery and strength. Those born under this sign are thought to be bold and fearless, unafraid to roar their truth. Next, hopping into the fourth position, is the rabbit. The rabbit symbolizes gentleness and kindness. Those born in the year of the rabbit are often seen as empathetic and caring, always ready to lend a helping hand. The fifth animal in the zodiac is the mighty dragon. Dragons are symbols of power and good fortune. Those born under this sign are often seen as ambitious, driven, and destined for greatness. Slithering into the sixth spot is the snake. Symbolizing wisdom and cunning, those born in the year of the snake are often thought to be intelligent and intuitive. Galloping into the seventh position is the horse. Known for their free-spirited nature, those born under the horse sign are often energetic, passionate, and full of life. The eighth animal is the gentle and loving goat. Those born in the year of the goat are often seen as nurturing and peaceful, always ready to spread love and positivity. Next, swinging into the ninth position, is the monkey. Known for their wit and curiosity, those born under the monkey sign are often seen as clever and innovative, always ready to explore new ideas. The 10th animal is the rooster, associated with confidence and honesty. Those born in the year of the rooster are often seen as straightforward and assertive, never afraid to speak their mind. In the 11th spot, we find the loyal dog. Those born under this sign are seen as loyal and faithful, always ready to stand by their friends and loved ones. Finally, rounding up the cycle, is the pig. Pigs are symbols of wealth and abundance. Those born under the pig sign are often seen as generous and prosperous, always ready to share their good fortune with others. Each animal lends its unique characteristics to the people born under its year, creating a rich tapestry of personalities. With their distinctive traits and attributes, these 12 animals paint a colorful and diverse panorama of human nature, as seen through the lens of the Chinese Zodiac. But the animals are just the beginning. Did you know the Chinese Zodiac also involves elements and yin and yang? In addition to the 12 zodiac animals, the Chinese Zodiac is further enriched by the inclusion of the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. These elements, much like the zodiac animals, are believed to shape an individual's destiny and fortunes. Let's delve a little deeper. Each element is associated with certain characteristics. Wood, for example, is linked with growth and vitality, while fire embodies dynamism and passion. Earth signifies a grounding presence and stability. Metal is associated with strength and determination, and water is seen as the source of wisdom and flexibility. But how do these elements factor into the zodiac? Well, each zodiac year is associated with an element which cycles every 2 years. This means that the influence of the elements is felt not just in the year of a person's birth, but also in the overarching cycle of the zodiac. Now, let's move on to yin and yang. These two concepts are fundamental to Chinese philosophy and cosmology. Yin, symbolized by the dark side of the yin-yang symbol, represents the passive, receptive, and feminine forces in the universe. Yang, on the other hand, symbolized by the light side, embodies active, creative, and masculine energies. In the Chinese zodiac, each animal sign is also associated with either yin or yang. This association alternates each year, adding another layer of complexity to the zodiac system. The interplay between yin and yang, much like the interaction of the 5 elements, is believed to shape the characteristics and destiny of individuals born under each zodiac sign. In this way, the Chinese zodiac is not just a collection of animal signs, but a complex, interconnected system of cosmic influences and energies, deeply rooted in Chinese culture and philosophy. In the Chinese zodiac, the elements and yin and yang bring even more depth to our understanding of the zodiac animals. So how does this ancient system fit into our modern world? A fascinating question indeed. The Chinese zodiac, with over 2,000 years under its belt, has managed to retain its relevance and significance in today's world. It's not just a relic of the past, but a vibrant part of Chinese culture that continues to shape the lives of millions. The zodiac plays a significant role in determining one's fortune and destiny. Each zodiac animal and its corresponding element are believed to influence an individual's personality traits, career prospects, health, and relationships. For instance, if you were born in the year of the dragon, you're considered to be ambitious and charismatic. If your element is wood, you're likely seen as stable, reliable, and patient. These interpretations guide people in making important decisions, such as choosing a career path or a life partner. But the influence of the zodiac doesn't stop at personal decisions. It permeates all aspects of Chinese culture, from traditions and celebrations to art and literature. The Lunar New Year, one of the most important festivals in China, is heavily influenced by the zodiac. Each year is celebrated in honor of one of the 12 zodiac animals, with decorations, foods, and activities themed around that animal. This celebration not only brings people together, but also serves to preserve and pass on the rich cultural heritage associated with the zodiac. In the realm of personal beliefs, the zodiac continues to guide individuals in their daily lives. Some people wear jewelry or carry amulets bearing the symbol of their zodiac animal as a form of protection or to attract good luck. Others consult the zodiac when naming a newborn, starting a new business, or even deciding the best day to get married. The Chinese zodiac, with its ancient roots and rich symbolism, continues to influence the lives of millions today. It's a testament to the enduring power of tradition and belief, a system that bridges the gap between the ancient and the modern world, shaping our lives in ways we may not even realize. What an incredible journey through the Chinese zodiac we've just taken. We've delved into the mysterious origins of the zodiac, a system over 2,000 years old, and discovered the legendary race of the animals summoned by the Jade Emperor, which determined the order of the zodiac. We've met the 12 zodiac animals: the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig, each embodying unique personality traits and shaping the destinies of those born under their influence. We've explored the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and the concepts of yin and yang, which add layers of complexity to this ancient astrological system. And we've seen how the zodiac remains relevant and influential even today. Whether you're a seasoned zodiac enthusiast or a curious newcomer, there's always more to discover in the captivating world of the Chinese zodiac. Until next time, keep exploring.